So today we have these Gothic platform Mary Jane shoes. As you can see on each shoe, they have like a bat kind of shape wing and then a heart in the middle. Very cute. Very perfect for fancy events or just cosplaying in general. So let's go ahead and test them out. So what's great about these shoes is that you can have one strap, which they're fairly easy to put on. Just gotta get it from one side to the other and hook it in. Very simple. And then for the back ones, they're actually removable, so you have the option on whether or not you want to add this part of the shoe in, and it's very cool. So here's both the shoes on. This is how thick they are. Very comfortable, and they give your feet a very like doll-like look, and they're very comfortable and quite easy to walk in. Thank you for watching.